Hi, morning everyone. Richard here. Currently out testing two action cams. This is what we've been waiting for. This is this one on the right hand side. You see here is Action 4. Okay, so this is the new action cam DJI Action 4 versus the Action 3, which I had for a while. So we shall see the two difference between the new sensor and the old sensor. The rest is all the same. The buttons are all the same, placement is the same. Only difference you can see, the old button is orange. That's how you differentiate. The red button is the new Action 4. So we shall go and walk around, hike up this mountain, and we'll see what the image looks like. Straight off, I can see my face is brighter on the Action 4 than on the Action 3, and all this is just on auto setting. I haven't gone into the pro setting, so just leave it as normal as Action auto setting and see how the images will come out like. So let's do a hike, and then maybe we can find a low light area where we can test out whether the low light makes a difference or not. So I'm seeing this is the Action 4. It's on my right hand side shoulder, and the Action 3 on the left. I can see that it's much brighter. My face is much brighter on the Action 4 than the Action 3. So what can you all see a difference? Wow, there's monkeys here, so I have to be careful where I walk. And this is a Kuala Selangor. It's a reserve area. Okay, there's some dark area here. Let's get inside here and see how the low light fares here. I hope I don't fall down. It's a bit dark here under the shade, and it's abandoned. Let's look at it. Okay, straight off the screen I can see the white balance difference. It's a bit darker on the Action 3, right? Just to make sure. And much faded, looks much faded on the Action 4. You can see it's more contrast on the Action 3. I hope I don't hit into a spider. So this is an abandoned area. Let's go in and have a look. Oh, I hope there's no monkeys here and then come and attack me. So pretty dim light area. It's early in the morning, so I always explore these weird places. This abandoned house, and if I don't come back from this, you know why. So pretty scary, spooky here. Oh, there are monkeys up there. I was wondering where the sound came from. Oh, there's a monkey there. Better get out here. Damn, that monkey scared me. So this is their hidden hut. I was wondering what was the sound about. We'll test out the low light if I can find a better, more shaded area to test it out. And both settings are the same. There's no difference. I've not seen any major difference in terms of the image specs. That means both are the same. I'm not sure because these haven't been updated with any firmware. It's just right out of the box, just to see how's the setup, and hopefully I can edit this fast enough, and you all guys can see the comparison. Whether you want to upgrade, I'm not sure it's even an upgrade. It's just larger sensor. The rest all the same. I mean, if you have the Action 3, you may not want to change it. I use this for vlogging, so I want to see how close. Can you see how close? Because my action 3 is the first batch, you can't focus near. So when it goes nearer, everything's out of focus. The whole is here. I'm not sure. Does this look more focus? Which one is better at focusing? Right. So let's get back to the car and go to the park entrance. Oh well, it's really dark. Look at my face. My face is really dark on the action 3. Now it's totally dark, but the action 4 is so much brighter. That is interesting. So you guys give a comments, what you think of my height up there in terms of the brightness. You look at the harsh sunlight and dark area, so we have high contrast. And let's keep on walking and see how the pictures will be when I get into the park. Okay, yes, there is a big difference. Look at the brightness, right? That between the action 3 and the action 4 on backlight situations. My face is brighter. The monkey is just right above me. It's pretty scary. Because we don't know what they're going to do. All the monkeys are here. And really, there's a huge difference in terms of brightness in the dark areas. Where we go in to a dark backlight spot, the face is much brighter. Okay, testing the audio. This is the action 4 audio. Testing 1, 2, 3, action 4. This is the audio, action 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, action 3. So how does it sound like? Okay, lucky me. This is really dark area, backlit. And okay, this is interesting. Okay, it shows overheating. Look at that. Action 4 is overheating. Same settings, action 3 and action 4. But action 4 shows overheating, recording stop. You can see the blinking light on the action 3 is still on. Action 4 has stopped. Okay, we're gonna have a problem because action 4 overheats way faster. I'm not facing overheating problem with action 3. I've been using it for a while. So it's already stopped record. Okay, so the camera cooled down so I can continue recording. This time I've set the screen brightness to lowest I can, which is 20% to stop it from overheating. Hopefully, and then I set the timer to turn off the screen after 1 minute. If not, I won't be able to finish this testing because I was not even in the hot sun yet and it was struggling. So we'll do some low light tests. At the moment we'll follow this red brown road to nowhere. I have no idea where it is going. Hopefully it leads me to somewhere interesting. I can show you all some nice fun stuff. So meantime, this is backlight. The sun is behind there, my shadow is in front, and this is how the view looks like with me walking. So I use the action cam for vlogging wherever I go because I do it with photography and things like that. So that's why I use the action cam for. It's really handy. It's all weather. I'm not worried about where I go with my camera and doing my photography. And I always mostly in the either very bright hot sun or very very dark areas. So the action cam needs to perform. So I'm interested in the action 4 because of the larger sensor. It should allow me to go into the forest and film stuff without worrying about the quality of the image. So now both screens have turned off because it's already 1 minute. Hopefully I'll last through this entire recording without overheating. So I guess it will overheat if you just leave the screen on and auto brightness. So action 4 will overheat faster than action 3. So hope they have a firmware for that and increase the threshold. So I don't see the reason why it needs to overheat. It's just a larger sensor. It's not even higher megapixels or higher bit rate. It's the same auto sensing. Oh, overheated, just as I said, even with the screen off. Just take a picture of that for evidence. Yep, overheated. Let's bring this as evidence. Yep, overheated. That's just the beauty of it, right? So Action 4 overheated again, so I don't think I'll be able to go through the entire comparison, right? I mean, it's just overheating like mad, even with the screen set to 20% and auto off after 1 minute. You know, how can I use this for long outdoor usage, right? So again, what did DJI do? Come on, seriously? Really? Action 3 is still recording, right? I'm gonna walk through here with Action 3, show you Action 3 is running, but Action 4 is utterly hopeless at the moment. To me, I don't care about other people, right? So Action 4 didn't even last me 5 minutes coming in here, and I've got to shoot and record a lot of things when I go into the forest, shoot wildlife, you know, and things like that. So look, you can hear amount of birds, beautiful birds. So I've got to wait until the Action 4 cools down, and I'll press record again. Hopefully I can make it through this whole session and show you guys the comparison of the Action 3 and Action 4. At the moment, Action 3 is winning. Action 4 is just plain hot stuff. Hot, I don't know what. Okay, I've been feeding the mosquitoes passing by the... Okay, this is where I am. This is how big this place is. Hopefully it doesn't rain. So let's see closest focusing. Look at that. How close it is. Let's say 1 arm's length. And which one is in focus? Right, so this is like more than 12 inches already. So right, so that should be the focusing length, 1 arm length at least. Hopefully it focuses. And let's try to walk to the end before it rains. It's here. Don't trust our weather here. You can see it's bright, hot, shiny, sunny. Right? Can you see how dark is that compared to Action 4 and Action 3? Don't trust, because it can just rain on the spot. Monkey? Oh, that's the long tail. Some long tail monkeys here. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful monkeys. And bye bye. Hopefully they're kind to me. Yeah, look, they're up there. How's the shadows like for both the cameras? So every few minutes I have to wait for the overheat of the Action 4 to cool down, and then I'll continue recording this whole trip. So I'm in the forest. There's no chance for me to just stop the recording and then go back out and come back another day. Anyway, so I hope you like the photos and the videos, right? So, but there's no photos. I didn't use the action cam to take photos. It's the last thing I need to do. It's more on my videos, but I'll post my photos on this trip as well. But do give me a thumbs up if you like the pictures and the videos, especially the video testing on the Action 4. I may need to cut this short because it suddenly turned dark and want to rain. Hopefully I survive through this, and we'll see. Let me know what's your opinion of the Action 3 versus the Action 4. I think I'm kind of disappointed that it's overheating, and the battery seems to be draining faster than the Action 3. So we shall see. I'll see you. Have a nice day. Do subscribe and like on my next video. If you need to know any other testing thing, do let me know. But if it overheats, you can't really test much. Bye. Have a nice day.